Yo, YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be bringing you this brand new tutorial today because I'm going to be showing you how to get Arc Raiders for free. You can get Arc Raiders on all platforms, so that's Xbox, Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 5, Steam. This is a super simple method using a digital game code, and it is going to get you Arc Raiders for free. And this game is pretty expensive, costing around 40 to 50 US dollars depending on your platform. And I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get a digital game code that you can redeem in the platform store of whatever you play on, guys. And this is going to get you the full game for completely free. So before I start, guys, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe, because I do plan on making many more money saving tutorials for you gamers out there. So let's get into the tutorial. As you can see, you need to use your internet browser on whatever mobile phone. I recommend you do this on your mobile device. It makes the process so much easier to get your digital game code. And you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type that into your internet, cold coupons, and as you can see, guys, it'll bring you to this website here. Awesome website. I've used them so much. They have game codes for pretty much any game you can imagine. And they have shopping website codes as well, like discount codes and stuff. So you can go to the search bar, and in there, I'm just going to type Arc Raiders. And Arc Raiders free digital game code. So as you can see, guys, this is get and play Arc Raiders free on all platforms. So it doesn't matter which platform you choose to play on. You can go ahead and do this method. And this is going to get you a game code that you redeem. So for example, if you play on on Xbox, you would enter this game code into the Microsoft Store, and it's going to download Arc Raiders for free. So you do need to unlock your game code. These are limited codes, and obviously this is a $40 game. So it prevents people from taking all of the available codes, of course. So you need to unlock your code by clicking this button and just following the instructions on this page. So it says complete 2 of the 3 tasks below to unlock your code, and follow the instructions for each of the 2 tasks. So as you can see, guys, I've got a list of things here that are all completely free, and essentially you need to choose 2 of these and fully complete them by reading the description. That tells you basically what you need to do. They're really easy things like installing mobile applications, answering surveys, playing mobile games, stuff like that. Just follow the instructions, complete 2 of those, and it will redirect you back to this page on Cold Coupons, and your Arc Raiders game code will be fully revealed. And yeah, you can go ahead and redeem it on your platform of choice, and that is going to get you Arc Raiders for completely free. So super easy, guys. It does take a few minutes, but it is going to save you a bunch of money. So head on over to Cold Coupons and find the Arc Raiders game code page, guys, and that is working on all platforms. So hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the game, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.